YouTubers, it's Hunters from the Rambo's Bros Airsoft, and today I'm going to show you how to take the orange tip off your barrel and be able to replace it with anything else. So for most of the higher brands, actually most of them, they're going to have a little hex screw right down there. So what you're going to do is get your tiny little Allen key. It's going to depend on the gun. It's going to unscrew that, and you're not going to want to lose that because, so you just have to unscrew it a little bit. But you do not want to take it out all the way, because if you do, you will lose it. Then, depending on if it's counterclockwise or not, you just unscrew that. Gonna make sure you don't want to lose those pieces. You'll be able to see the barrel. Got your little cap and the spring to keep it tight, and then you get whatever else you want. So sometimes it's gonna have these little notches where they're ground down. That's for if it's really tight. All you have to do is get a wrench and just put it on there, tighten it off, and you'll be all good. So then you get whatever you want to do, and this one I think's counterclockwise. So just screw that back on. Make sure it's tight. Tighten the Allen key, and you'll be all done. So thanks for watching our video, and as always, Yoba.